I fall behind every time that you're around. And it's a lie when I say that I'll be fine, I'll be fine. And in the night I tend to lose my sight, I fade out within the moving lights. But I got time, that's why I'm breathing now. I can see through my feelings now, I can see clear through my mind. And the secret is to shut my eyes, to shut my eyes and see through my mind. I can see through my feelings now, I can see clear through my mind. And the secret is to shut my eyes, to shut my eyes and see through my mind. I stay alive because I feel ready now. I see red, I feel blue, but it's all black and white. It's black and white. And in the night I tend to lose my sight, I fade out within the moving lights. But I got time, that's why I'm breathing now. I can see through my feelings now, I can see clear through my mind. And the secret is to shut my eyes, to shut my eyes and see through my mind. I can see through my feelings now, I can see clear through my mind. And the secret is to shut my eyes, to shut my eyes and see through my mind, to see through my mind, to see through my mind, see through my thinking about him. And would he understand if I told him how I feel about him?
Our kitchen was once again a complete disaster. The messes pile up quickly with a family of 5. I hope you will consider hitting the like and subscribe button for more Clean With Me videos like this. Anyways, thank you so much for being here. I'll see you very soon in my upcoming video. Take care.
He doesn't know